Yes, it is possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Here are some channels that do that. Philosophies for Life makes videos about ancient philosophers and gets nearly 1 million views per month. Practical Psychology makes videos about psychology and gets almost 700,000 views per month. Young Entrepreneur Forum uploads business idea videos and gets nearly 400,000 views per month. And all three of those channels do that without actually showing their faces. The average view count for these channels is 700,000 a month. Given an average of $7 CPM from ad revenue, they would be making around $4,900 a month. And they didn't even show their faces. Practical Psychology also sells courses, so they're probably making a lot more than that. So if you do this, which niche should you choose? I recommend anything related to health, wealth, happiness / relationships. All three channels that I mentioned earlier were sub-niches to these topics. So how are these channels generating videos? They're finding video ideas, writing scripts, doing voiceovers, and using a whiteboard animation software to make these videos. Now, how can you find video ideas? Simply go to the top channels in your niche doing what you want to do and sort their videos by most popular. Write down these ideas, then search your niche on YouTube and see what comes up. Then write these ones down as well. Then finally, you can use software like vidIQ to search your niche and see what keywords come up. See which ones have a high search volume and low competition and write those ones down as well. Now you should have a list of at least 30 different video ideas, and if you do, awesome job. It's time to start making them now, which isn't really that hard, but this is how you do it. First step is to write the scripts. Simply open up Google Docs in another tab, search your video idea, and open up a few articles and videos that show up. Go through each article and YouTube video, making notes of the main points to talk about. Then expand on these topics and make sure to write them in your own words. I recommend making your scripts 2,000 words long to make sure they're at least 10-minute long videos, but it's okay to make them shorter or longer than that. Take the amount of words it takes you to give as much value as you can give. Value can either be educational or entertainment value. If you don't want to write these scripts yourself, you can pay someone on Upwork or Fiverr to do them for you for $10 to $30 per script. Make sure to check all your scripts with a website called Copyscape to make sure they're completely unique, whether you do it yourself or you hire someone else to make them for you. Now it's time to record your voiceover. If you don't have a mic, you could use the recording software on your iPhone to do this. Or you can use a better mic like the Blue Yeti Nano and plug it into your computer. Then I recommend a free software called Audacity to record your audio. It's okay if you make mistakes while recording. I make plenty of mistakes all the time and I continue to make mistakes. Just redo the line and you can remove them using Audacity. If you don't want to do the voiceover yourself, you could pay someone on Upwork or Fiverr $10 to $15 just to do them for you. Next step is to use the whiteboard animation software to make those videos. You can use VideoScribe for this. You can import your voiceover and drag and drop elements and text that connect to what you're talking about. I recommend changing what's on screen at least every 6 to 10 seconds to keep people's attention. Also, make sure any music that you use is pretty quiet in the background so people could still hear your voice. You can also pay someone from Fiverr or Upwork to do these whiteboard animations for you. I would pay around $25 to $40 for this. Your video is done now. Awesome job. Before we upload it, we need what's called a custom thumbnail to make sure people click and watch your video. You can use an online website called Snappa to make your thumbnail. I recommend seeing what's worked well with other channels in your niche and remodeling their thumbnails. Don't copy them directly, but model their main elements that worked well for them. If you use text in your thumbnails, make sure to keep them at a minimum and make them big so they're easy to read. Make sure that your thumbnails look good even at small sizes. I recommend having a main primary element that stands out in the thumbnail, and at most have 3 primary elements. Bright colors and high contrast are good as well. Circles and arrows can also help a lot at times. Now your video is ready to be uploaded. Simply upload your video and custom thumbnail to YouTube and fill out the rest of the info. For your title, I recommend seeing what other top videos in your niche have titled their videos and creating something similar to that. If you can include keywords from somewhere like vidIQ, that's all the better. But I'd first and foremost focus on this if it's something that people would click on. For your description, I recommend writing a paragraph or 2 summarizing your video. And also make sure to include keywords, but write them in a natural way. Then you can put links to other videos in your description, as well as a short description of your channel. And if you check below to this video's description, you can see a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Then fill out your tags, putting keywords related to your video. You can use the Social Blade Chrome extension to see what keywords other channels are using. vidIQ helps with this as well by using high search volume, low competition words that you can add to your tags. Then simply hit publish and your video's up. Now, how should we promote our videos? The #1 promotion that will get you the most traffic and compound on itself exponentially is letting YouTube do it for you. You do this by optimizing your videos, uploading in a single niche, uploading 33 videos, analyzing and optimizing the next batch, and so on. Now, if you have other social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, you can use those mediums to promote your YouTube video, as long as those profile niches are the same as your YouTube channel, so that YouTube would know who to promote your videos to. And this is really important. Do not promote to your friends and family unless they're interested in the niche of your content. And how will you make money doing this? You can start making money once you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Then you can join what's called the YouTube Partner Program, which YouTube starts putting ads in your video and you get a cut of how much money they make from the ads. I have some videos linked in the description that will show you how to get to this point as fast as possible. If your videos are at least 8 minutes long, then you can place multiple ads, and that's what I recommend doing. Putting ads at least every few minutes throughout the video. I also recommend signing up to any affiliate programs relating to your niche and putting those links in your description. I recommend checking Digistore24 and ClickBank for products to promote. You can make much more money doing this than just using ad revenue. You can also make your own online course like that channel Practical Psychology did, and your course can just be a collection of your whiteboard videos, and you still don't even have to show your face in them. How often should you be uploading? I recommend choosing a regular schedule, which is about 1 video per day, but if you can't do that, then 3 videos a week. But if you can't do that, then 1 video a week. It's possible to grow your channel with any of those schedules, but the best one is the one you can stick with long term. For example, it's better to upload 10 videos, 1 video per week for the next 10 weeks than to upload 10 videos in 1 week and nothing for the next 10 weeks. How long will it take to make money with this? It depends. There's a lot of factors that go into this, and the top channels upload hundreds of videos before they get big and have consistent results. The goal of what I teach is to upload 33 videos, analyze, optimize, then upload another batch of 33 better videos. Using this strategy, you get huge results much faster, as opposed to doing the guesswork and seeing what happens. That said, you can make a lot of money much sooner by selling things on your channel. And yes, this is really possible to do. Also, my business partner, Matt Parr, does this, and he runs dozens of YouTube channels. And he's made millions of dollars off YouTube also. He started doing this as a broke high school student, and if he can do it, so can you. It's really important that you watch this video right here, because it'll show you exactly what makes your channel grow in the least amount of time possible. And I'll see you there.